I don't understand.
Sir, I know
I tried everywhere reaching you, Minyao.
Oh.
Unya baby kosha ya kanye.
But I was within coverage area.
But yesterday you were missing. I saw yesterday you were missing.
I was within coverage area.
Okay. What is making news this morning? Speaker of Parliament urges the new Parliamentary Service Board to prioritize security challenges. It has come in need at the moment. And there may be a course Obekai appointment committee, Obekai Stikakra Parliament, Abrante ya. Okoya police for chino.
Yes.
And even on the day of the appointment committee issue nearby, there were party people who entered the place. I almost say more parliamentarians. And untino, then one day he said, Alban Sumani Kingsford Babin, right? Honorable Ade Aky Parliamentary Service Board for front say omoma bambo ewo parliament here yentie and somehow the two channel.
There remain certain challenges that need to be addressed. One of these challenges is to secure the parliamentary enclave to ensure that safety and security of members and staff. It's been a very worrying matter for Parliament for some time now. We are actually very insecure here. We are not safe. And sometimes people can jump in and attack members and staff, and anytime there's an attempt to apprehend them, they scale over the wall and you can't get them because the forest is just close by. This is vital in achieving uninterrupted and effective functioning of Parliament. I believe the NINE board will work assiduously to make this a reality. I am confident that this board will add onto the already improved work environment to encourage hard work, dedication, and excellence. While I commend majority of the staff for the hard work, the board still has to address issues related to some members of staff who are indolent or absentee workers. It is important for the board to implement measures to get all staff to be duty conscious, patriotic.
Speaker himself and I form the Parliamentary Service Board. Woman at Tenase yen to Toye and she say ya a more dear a bo parliament to Hubra. I'm talking about the Right Honorable Speaker Ano Kasa, Right Honorable Alban Kingsford Sumani Bankman. Then we have Ebenezer Ahuma Jethro, Clerk to Parliament, Mahama Yarega, Member of Parliament for Boko Central Majority Leader, Alexander Fenyomakin MP for Futu and Minority Leader, Angela Oforiwa Alou Te, former MP for Afajato South. Shockingly, and I don't know, Dr. Marcus Yaw has featured at the Parliamentary Service Board. I like this man so much. Former Member of Parliament for New Jabin South. The first and second deputy speakers, Bernard Ahiafo and Alfakachi and Andrew Siama, they all co-opt us. They are co-opted members. Okay. Now let's move on to the minority leader, reigniting the old controversial plan to build a new chamber for Parliament. You remember the new chamber brought a lot of hue and cry in Ghana. Demonstrations upon demonstration. We can't branch about Kubikra single-handedly for Parliament where demonstration be channel. Why has it become necessary, or is it somebody we know? Sikandi honoma among 4 years sikandi man somebody we know a here say a new chamber. Yentien Samai Koso.
There are two things that
I look forward to seeing happen in the 9th Parliament. One, a hospital for Parliament. If it does happen, in accordance with your vision, it will be a great milestone. We are a political class. Our health issues are to be known within certain confines. Because of confidentiality and all, people travel abroad at great cost for medical support. I believe if we are able to deal with this, it will help. So, Speaker, you've also talked about security. Indeed, when I visited the House, the British Parliament, the Commons, even within the chamber, there is enhanced security. Here in the public gallery, anybody at all can throw anything at a member of Parliament and there is no security. So, Speaker, I am therefore looking forward to enhance security in the chamber and at least to depart from this old infrastructure, though it's fit for purpose. We can begin a conversation for a new chamber befitting.
That was Afenyo Markin. But Mama Yaga majority leader rejected a call for a new chamber. Why is he saying such? Yentino.
Definitely don't believe that a hospital is a priority of this Parliament or should be the priority of this Parliament. Mr. Speaker, we are very close to the Rage Hospital, which I personally believe is adequate to provide the services that staff here will need. And I don't believe that at this stage in the finances of this country we should have a political class building a hospital especially for itself and not wanting to mingle with ordinary Ghanaians and the facilities that they use. So I totally reject a proposal to construct a hospital for Parliament. We have a clinic which is in keeping with what most establishments have, and I believe that if anything at all, we should just improve upon the facilities and services of our clinic that provide basic services, and when you need, you can use the facilities at the Rich Hospital and the chamber and etc. I don't think that the security issues warrant a discussion about constructing a new chamber, and that I totally reject as well. At this
stage, Auntie, Mama Yaga said, Emabunu, a Ghana for entering as a political class. No, you said that we special hospital amount. They toss me, you know, you be security. They should beef up security at Parliament. And who he has a feina. Ye kwakoye day. Ye kwakoye negotiations. Somebody we opposition one more power yaw. Afefe de ni ade so ye omo fe tinchina ye nye CCC omo the two position. Somebody we ba me who we fidisum. Straight. Ya ro ka we na akofo aso a e kire na akoye debate. Sa aban no ba be ye new chamber na enye omo town na akoye new chamber sema ntokwasi ye. Yes. It is self-fidisum no. Mama ya go smart o. Say otiwo nyos o ka sia say. O ka sia say.
ISNC hospital you know.
For quite some time, our central region we've been experiencing power outages. Na Ade Aky Abia bebreka o call Duma ote generators esun anopa wi anwumre communities are crying. The energy minister is assuring Ashanti region of power stability.
Okay.
Yente ni okai.
Okay.
to address the challenges. It will not end in Kumasi. We are looking at the entire nation. Wherever these challenges continue to persist, we are determined to address them. But in the long run, we want to see improved delivery of gas so that as we commission these plants, we can have a remarkable improvement in gas delivery. Kumasi would eventually become a generation hub because we are looking at the Ameri plants here, we are looking at the Senate plants here, and we are looking at the AXA plants here. If you put all that together, you could be hitting close to about 700 megawatts of power delivery from within Kumasi. And that is very, very monumental. And so let me thank all the engineers and thank you, the media in particular, for spending the whole day with us. We'll keep monitoring the situation. Challenges are sometimes bound to happen. But as minister, our duty is that when we have the challenges, we swiftly move in to improve that. And I learned something very important from the regional minister, is that the Kumasi area here, you must improve your communication. If you are going to switch from one transformer to the other, naturally, you are going to have some challenges. It's important that you pre-inform consumers and customers so that when that happens, there wouldn't be any panic. They will know that it's a temporal issue and that will be resolved in the shortest possible time. Particularly ECG, when you are going to do your routine or what you call regular maintenance, you know in advance that some areas will go off. It's only proper that you inform affected customers so that they can plan.
Okay, Anunti, that was assurance coming from the Energy Minister, Abraba, Asante Mantem Tall. And our catch there, Asante ECG say, so more switch it from one power to the other, inform the people. Ashanti West, Ashanti East, Ashanti Central. You see, I chemu mumiensa. Moma communication no enkoso. Moye DNN so do maybe a Ghana water for ama you see a man for chako tree. Yaw. Omo kachre. Sunday no omo de be tuja. Omo so ko omo kan be Friday. Friday na Ghana for fail omo. And a man for ko 4 gallon kra hu na ko bu nsuo no way. 3 days ni a man for be chako tree yaw. Na u bibia kama de. Yeah, brother, yeah, so they 400 guards under the Blue Water Initiative. Ubekaya, Kofi Amabo am launch Yibia amo ekoye se omo wako protecting water bodies. It is these guards no ya mo medjuma. Ya masa, we are buying now so we ma onkrofo anya adwuma ya. Very beautiful initiative. Mranche 400 omo sabe ko ma no. Another napku ba o. We nya napku. Asa we nya napku. Another napku we nya napku. Wait me nya napku da. We Blue Water Initiative. Okay. River Bodyguards. Ejo omo ko bonsuwa nsuwa no. O cha to no tu betwa. Agoda so ja for grade mi. Oh, ya we say be baswa. You put to grade mi wa okuta ba. Obi kuta tuo. Ale won ko fi ama boy atre. Etuo grade to me. Obi kuta tuo. Won timi. Odi aba. Enfiao. No, but it's so yaw. Oh, say police visibility it helped. The presence of the people at the banks, no. A best care amount from entry. Yeah, but that bistro. Well, here I got to over to you. What's your mugwe? Oh, we go down one gala say to I was telling that. Yeah. Now see how this system be any. Share with that. Na me makonso no go se gold na that way. Me de say yes kakra bia gold beba. We say me ko blue water no e green e. Ya mansuo na no. What that? Da me nya Ghana for na musu say yensu ansu anyina. IFE. Agota me say the odi tuoko wantimi. The odi tuoko wantimi na momo bi okuta nsia. No. They have been trained. What's a canvas? Sekamu. Obi o say boot. No, but yeah, let's encourage such things. Agota. Me say galam say no. Here an economic dialogue. Say president. Enfre you tag for an common cost strike before elections. Why for a TUC. The academia near him footing in an onset to down. Galam say the medi soldier for ko anyeye.
me share excavator anye yi me share excavator de be see
ma deport foreigners anye yi
I san wan ya pam no still ye guso a ye say nsuo no onto ato adwene ye nye ne dai akuta si ye tena obe ni say ya blue gas why water
blue gas. Water Mr. Blue water
dia akuta so ge ni kura ntimi na wo akuta ntia
well, you are making it too simple.
No, but I get simple sanity. I get simple sanity. Training Bena, so you training for months. You didn't call war near the other. Galamse for one to me. Now, why I do I call training 3 weeks? I am on Fiao. So, for generation, who now Galamse for Nakako.
No, they are protecting the waters.
I would tell Wenum. Me so dia yeti ha na yesi sankrofo no kure di galatain wo dia momo sala
say ayi for no problem say sankrofo we fe say operation vanguard
for no
afeno
omo stop ene dia near stop
afeno me gala for no kure ko
e pre consensus
black water no
yesterday bibi the black gold
no
ball black no pre ho see e ba ene ya meto black there ni ene
my god
me afata kofo market ya kemu amantia
when we return we'll have some issues to the president Jamama swears in security chiefs and hey opium worth 20 million Ghana cedis impounded at Temaport. Cocaine as I say,
is it a Chumako, Niger, any Burkina?
And then a befaha.
Say, Omo de Faha.
Some transit night, ye be good.
Send ye, I could turn a crack run in you, Bejaka.
Kaka, think of for no more. Ebenuma say no. Daniel to 4K University, Abranti allegedly is Kuma Baba has been remanded for the second time in connection with the death of his girlfriend, Joanna. Now, April 1st, 2025, and the set date or Mashato, Abranti, Amusha TV, so no, Akoba say, yes or no, and you used to say, Ababa, we know him who be, and Untino, Yamasa Remandino, Obeba 1st April. Na court any insensema omo hwe no so o mahwe ehu asema kan it's sad
mo de girlfriend boyfriend
say eno no your friend no your friend inte
your friend say
inte so only girl school
girl ne ma me ne se osuin girl ne ma me ni e say no osuin ya na fe omo na wo ho nyina na
one say yaw eno ye internal inte and a bit more extra.
I don't know intend to boy.
So more on boy in the school.
Okay, now extra for
external yet. No, be on a boy, a wabont, and a girl wabont.
Okay,
no boy to be boy in text. Yeah. A boy in text.
In text, you know,
in tell school, no way, still wabont. It's the other external yes or Beslana was remember.
Okay, you go in tell.
Aha.
Intimate me
about anytime. I was your boy Ade Aky Abia. Now you buy any of your former transit and commodity be whoever to change come off and somebody to me on Saturday. It's time for tip off with Orlando.